In this video, I'll be showing you how to allow the install of unknown apps on your Amazon Fire TV and stick. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, let's say you want to download some unknown apps that aren't on your Amazon Fire TV stick by default, like Prime Video and YouTube, things like that. All you want to do is go over to your settings. It's going to look something like this. Now from here, just go to My Fire TV option. Then just enter in your PIN that you set up whenever you got your Fire TV stick. Now, as you can see, I have developer options already. What you want to do though, if you don't see that, is press About, and then you're going to see your Fire TV with some of the information on it. All you want to do is go ahead and select this. Keep pressing it about 5 to 8 times, and then on the bottom, it's going to say you now have developer access. I already have developer access, so that's why it wasn't showing like that for me. And now all I want to do is go ahead and open up developer options. Then it's going to say install unknown apps. It says no applications installed on this Fire TV have requested permission to install other applications. You will be able to grant permissions once you install an application that has that ability. So literally, that's how you do it. So you can install a different app from another application, and then you'll be good to go. You'll be able to grant permission for that, but you need to have developer mode enabled. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other videos that we've been posting on the channel.